Hello, welcome to 20 Time Rant Experiment. We're on week 2, which is step 2, our research. Once we have a solid question in hand from step 1, we've got to do some research. We have to do research due to the fact that we want a solid hypothesis written in week 3, so we then can go into creating our own and designing our own lab and experiment. So research, super imperative that we're on the right track of what to look for, how to look for it, and who we need to talk to. So let's look at the rubric. Research, there's a couple components to it. For this project, students are going to be able to find what we're looking for is 5 reliable sources from multimedia types. So we're looking at 5 different resources. That's at minimum. If you can do more, fantastic. Now, where do they have to be from? They have to be from different areas. They just can't be all from the internet or all from talking to different individuals or all from a book. They all have to be coming from different ones. So student investigation. Student investigation is, has anybody done this type of experiment or this type of idea before, and how did they do it? Because I know you guys are like, who's ever done experiments before as kids? Well, there's a ton of people that have done experiments on gaming, on makeup, and they have huge Instagram sites, they have huge Twitch sites or followings. So yeah, those people have done it before, and that's the type of evidence we want from those type of individuals. The next one is models. Any type of model you can find. This can be a physical model. This can be a mathematical model. This can be a graph. This can be a chart. A model is anything that shows it mathematically or shows something that is not illustrated. That's what a model is. A theory. Theory is explained. It's a really good idea of what's happening. So any type of theories you can have pertaining to this type of experiment you want. And it can be a gaming, it can be a theory about gaming, it can be a theory about baseball, it can be a theory about makeup, whatever it may be, but there's definitely theories out there. A simulation. A simulation is pretty easy. A simulation is where you can visually see something happening about that subject. So it can be a video, it can be an animation, it can be somebody playing a video game, it can be you watching a person actually do that specific task. Those are all simulations. And finally, peer review. Now, peer review, right off the top, you're like, oh, peer review, what's going on there? A peer review is anybody who's reviewed this, who is an expert in that field, who you can trust. And so there's a ton of social media experts out there that would be peer reviews. For cooking, if you looked at a peer review by Rachel Ray, who's a chef, she can be considered, looking at some of her information and how she reviews things, that would be a peer review for cooking. So any of those, you have to have evidence gathered 4 or more different types. These are different types, but at least 4 of these. Student is able to obtain 2 or more reliable experts in the field. Nowadays, with social media, you can go, and if you need to try to get a hold of Stephen King, write him a tweet or email, send him a voicemail, whatever you want. You guys can do nowadays. The experts, you don't have to physically talk to them. Get out there, try to find experts, and get as much information from those experts as possible. And around the school, if you're doing it something that somebody's an expert and they're in the school, a teacher, a coach, another person, if you're doing cooking, Janet Hill is a great resource for baking. So those are experts you have to find. All research resources have to be referenced correctly, so you have to put them on Google. They have to be on a document. They have to have the name, they have to have the date, and they have to have the time that you did it. And they have to be organized in alphabetical order. So once again, time, date, the person, and what type of information you got from them. And it's going to be reference of alphabetical order. The next 2, productivity and time. Is this being done on time? And are you being productive? There's no way that you can finish all this research on Friday during 47 minutes. Not possible. So you've got to go outside the class, doing it during AC, doing it at home, and getting it done. But you got to spend some time on this research. Because if you don't get quality research, then you're not going to be able to get a quality hypothesis, and everything just kind of falls apart from there. So this is research. Like I said, everything has to be on Google Classroom, through a Google document, and you've got to go multiple facets. You just can't go through one thing. So here's some other examples talking about productivity, but that's research and what we expect from research this week. So 20-time Rant Experiment, step 2, research explained. Have a great day, and we'll see you in class.